The concept Wolbachia method was actually discussed in the 2023 examination as a question. The Wolbachia method refers to a biological control strategy used to reduce the transmission of vector-borne diseases, particularly diseases spread by mosquitoes. The method involves the introduction of the bacterium Wolbachia into mosquito population to interfere with the ability of mosquitoes to transmit diseases like dengue fever, Zika virus and chikungunya. Wolbachia is a naturally occurring bacterium that commonly infects arthropods including mosquitoes. Wolbachia is a genus of bacteria that has evolved complex relationship between the many insects that can host it. It is named for the American pathologist Simeon Burt Wolbach, who identified it along with Marshall Hertig in 1924. Now, the Wolbachia infected mosquitoes breed with their wild counterparts, which results in a growing percentage of the bacterium in those mosquitoes. This is known as the population replacement strategy. Scientists claim that a naturally occurring bacterium infecting mosquitoes can help curb the spread of dengue by 77%. The claim was based on a randomized trial in Indonesia. The researchers suggest that it could help cut dengue incidence. Mosquitoes carrying Wolbachia are released into the target population. Wolbachia is maternally inherited, passing it from infected females to their offspring. Wolbachia induces a phenomenon known as cytoplasmic incompatibility, which occurs when infected males mate with the uninfected females or females with a different strain or Wolbachia. This incompatibility leads to reduced or non-viable offspring, reducing the mosquito population. Wolbachia infected mosquitoes have been shown to have a reduced ability to transmit certain pathogens. Wolbachia interferes with the replication and transmission of viruses within the mosquito. Over time, as Wolbachia infected mosquitoes reproduce, the proportion of infected mosquitoes in the population increases. The goal is to replace the local mosquito population with individuals carrying Wolbachia, reducing the transmission of diseases. Continuous releases of Wolbachia infected mosquitoes may be required to maintain the desired level of infection in the population. Sustained efforts are needed to achieve and maintain effective control. This method is considered as a biocontrol approach with potential advantages such as being very environmentally friendly and reducing the reliance on chemical insecticides. The use of Wolbachia has been studied in various locations worldwide with promising results in controlling the spread of diseases carried by mosquitoes. It is very important to note that the effectiveness and safety of the Wolbachia method depend on several factors, including the specific mosquito ratio, the strain of Wolbachia used, and the local ecological context. Research and field trials continue to assess the feasibility and long-term impact of this biological control strategy. Wolbachia can also reduce the rate at which chikungunya and yellow fever viruses multiply in infected mosquitoes. Scientists have also found that some Wolbachia species can strongly protect some mosquito species against the malaria parasite. So they are currently studying a way to have the right strain of Wolbachia rapidly spread in a particular mosquito population in the right environmental conditions such that the bacteria can suppress the malaria transmission. If this is achieved, it will be a significant weapon in a millennia-long fight against mosquito-borne diseases.